I mean, when it's the middle of January, what do you expect? Oh, wait. It's March, dang it! Uh, I usually wouldn't mind this. But I mean, it's already even astronomical spring, so it's a little ridiculous. And I think I might have some shoveling to do. Oh, and also just a heads up, the championship Powerade race is tonight. If you're watching this on the day that's posted. At 8 o'clock Eastern Time. It might get moved to Armory Digital, though, because Pensacola has given me some issues. Yeah, it's going to be good stuff. But for right now, I'm just looking at this going, bring on spring already! Sheesh.